Hey you guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new unboxing for you guys. So this is called Kids on 45th. So no, this is not sponsored. I found this through an Instagram ad and I was intrigued. So basically Kids on 45th is a clothing box that's secondhand clothing. So what you do is you take a survey, you let them know what your kids' sizes are, and every piece of clothing has a numerical value to it. So if you want a shirt, it's going to be the same price. If you want a dress, it's going to be the same price. So basically, these clothes are all secondhand. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and hop into it. So I do have a code for you guys. You will go ahead and get $10 off of your first order if you use my code below. No, it's not sponsored, but clothing is so expensive, especially when you have multiple kids. So this might be a really good box for you guys when it comes to like back to school, or maybe your kids are going through a growth spurt. So I got a total of 11 items for $28.98. So I got stuff for Tanner, Scarlet, and Sawyer. So I'm really excited to pop in to see everything I got. So again, 11 items for $28.98 with shipping. So I'm just gonna hop into everything. So it looks like the first item is for Scarlet, and this is a Jumping Beans tee. So this is the Kohl's brand, and it is a bright pink little shirt. It has this like crisscross back in the detail, and there's absolutely no scent. So when you think secondhand, you probably think like, oh, it might smell kind of funky, but this doesn't smell weird at all. So I got this shirt right here in a size 6. I also got her some sunglasses. So they had sunglasses as an option. So these are the Surge snap-on front sunglasses. So it has one pair of sunglasses, and then you can go ahead and switch out like the face of the sunglass to have a different color. So I got those for her, and she is going to flip when she sees this. Oh my goodness, this is so stinking cute. It is like a rainbow tulle little skirt. She is absolutely going to love this. Scarlet is obsessed with rainbows, and this is in a size small. Now this one does have a scent. This is from Dolly and Me. I've never heard of it. But this one does have a scent. It's not a bad scent, but wherever the clothes were from, it did pick up on a scent, or maybe it's just like the warehouse or something like that. But I think that's all the pieces that I got for Scarlet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a shirt, skirt. Okay, I guess there's some pants for her. This might be her pants. Oh wow, these are True Religion pants. Wow, that's fancy. Scarlet's gonna have some fancy pants. Okay, so True Religion jeans for Scarlet. These are a little bit big on her, so she's not gonna be able to wear this for a while, but size 7 True Religion jeans for Scarlet. Wow, she's gonna be super fancy. Okay, so now let's go ahead and jump into what we got for Tanner. So let's see, let me check the size. What is the size on this? 12 to 18 months. Okay, so now we're getting into Tanner's stuff. This one does not have a weird smell, which I like. So we have the first pair of shorts, and this is perfect, you guys, for the 4th of July Memorial Day season. So this is super cute right here. So these are the little plaid shorts, and again, these are 12 to 18 months. So this is really nice. All right, so the next thing we have here is a Mickey bodysuit, and this is actually Disney Baby. So 18 months for this guy right here. So this is really cute. This is gonna fit him just fine. So I'm excited about that. Oh, what else do we have? Looks like we have a 3T. Looks like this is for Sawyer, a Mickey Mouse shirt. How cute is this? And this is a Disney Junior Mickey. I'm not sure where this is from. Doesn't smell, and yeah, this is really cute. So the boys are gonna have matching Mickey Mouse attire. Let's see, so Tanner has 2 shorts. So this is 12 months, and this is Disney Baby, but there's no Disney like print on it. So it's just, again, some more like plaid little shorts. So love this for Tanner. So Tanner got 2 shorts and a shirt, so Tanner's done. So the rest of the items are for Sawyer. So this next item is from Circo. So I think this is sold at Target. So these are just some little like pull-on denim shorts. So those are nice. And then the next thing we have in here are some pants. This is the Genuine Kids. These are Tanners. So these are 12-month baby pants. So super cute. And it looks like they have like a little, I don't know what this is for. If this is for like little baby suspenders, I have no idea, but super cute. Love that mustard color for him. And then we got some shorts for Sawyer. These are Cherokee. Oh, these might be pants. No, these are shorts. So this is Cherokee 3T. So again, this is another Target item, and they just have little palm trees on them, navy blue, and that was for Sawyer. So you guys, I got all of this stuff for under $30 shipped, and they also sent a little gift for mom as well. So it's a little coin purse that says Mama, Mom, Mom. So how cool is this, you guys? I am so pleased with everything that came into this box. I saved 70 to 90%. If you are not happy with anything here, all you need to do is reach out and they will, you know, fix you up. This is a no commitment subscription. Subscribe to shipments 4 times a year. They'll email you before it's shipped. You guys, I am totally just blown away by this subscription service, and it's a way that you're able to like cycle out clothing. You're not having to buy everything new, especially like I said, if you have multiple kids, like this is a great option for getting clothes. So if you're someone who is interested in like secondhand clothes, but you really don't have the time to, you know, get out to thrift stores, or you just don't want to have to go in there and hunt for everything, you have someone else doing it for you. So I absolutely think that this box is fantastic. So I think I'll go ahead and do another one of these boxes maybe around Christmas time. And yeah, so I think this is a great idea for getting some clothes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and again, use that link below. You'll get $10 off of your first box. If you use that code, thank you in advance, because I do get $10 if you use that code as well. So I just want to disclose that, and no, this was not sponsored by Kids on 45th at all. So I just wanted to add that in there as well, that this is not a sponsored video. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.